Welcome back, Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and you are part of the Fit in 5 workout series. It is inspired by my mom because my mom took my course a couple weeks ago and she started working out from it. So let's get going and I'll elaborate a little bit more on that. So we spend a lot of time going forward and little time going backwards and side to side. So in today's lower body workout, we are starting off with side lunges. Just going to the point where it feels okay and you're coming back up. You're not gonna stand all the way up, you're only going to straighten it just a little bit. And so your side lunge can look as small as this. And that is totally fine because we are taking our sweet time building up the muscles that support our joints. So the whole point of this series is to focus on our joints, build up the muscles around it, and so you age with ease. Like I said, my mom took my course just a couple weeks ago and she started working out consistently. Now it helps that I make these videos and she gets to hear it and watch it. So that is a bit of an incentive, but it's still fun because workouts don't have to be some extravagant process. You don't have to spend hours at the gym. You don't have to do crazy movements. Just keep with the basics. So for this workout, we will use no equipment, just body weight. Going low where you can and coming up about halfway. This leg should be burning. If you start feeling pressure in the front of your knee, put more weight on your heel. And that goes across the board. Anytime you start feeling pressure in the front of your knee with these exercises, sit back a little bit more in it. Good, and I'm all about doing one side before doing the other side. So as for our next movement, of course, it is the get up. We have talked about this in other videos, other leg videos, and I will do them until the cows come home. Because we spend the rest of our lives getting up off the floor, getting out of couches, getting off of chairs, all the above. If this feels too much doing a single leg get up, then put a toe down on your other leg. If that feels too much, then go all the way down and you're just sitting down. I would still suggest putting a little bit more pressure on your right leg or the leg that you've been working. And you're not standing all the way up. Keeping that core nice and tight. Coming up about halfway, we're really focusing on burning the quad on our working leg, our right leg. Let's do 3 more. 1. I just stood all the way up. Sorry. 2. 3. Good. All right, shake it out onto the other side. This is also working our mobility, so going where you can, holding for a second or two, and you're coming back up. And where you can, and you're coming back up about halfway. The slower you go, the more you'll feel it. If you start feeling this in your lower back, tuck those hips and keep your core nice and tight. Same thing that goes across the board. Anytime you start feeling pressure in your lower back, you need to tuck those hips and engage your core more. We're gonna do this workout and then another leg workout. And then we're going to circle back and we've got abs. Let's do 2 more. 1, 2. Good. All right, shake it out for a hot second, and now we're on to get-ups. Sit down, get up. Wow, creative name. We're not standing all the way up. If this is too much pressure, put a toe down. Also put more weight in the heel of this leg. Feel this in your quad, top. You'll also feel it in your hamstring and glute. That is why I love this exercise so much. It is so effective. It is all-encompassing. It does a lot. I worked out this morning, so my legs are a little sore. Let's do 3 more. I did put additional details of my Fit in 5 course in the description below if you want to check that out. It focuses on the 5 elements to help you become sustainably fit. Good, that was more than 3, but thanks for sticking with me. That is it for today's Fit in 5 workout. working our lower body. And see you tomorrow in our next video.